Hi, David Odell here with OdellCompleteConcrete. Today I'm going to be showing you the Milwaukee RedStick. It's a level designed for screeding concrete. I got a short clip that I can share with you that I did a little live action on. Then throughout the job I'm going to show you how to use the actual tool. What we have here is a couple levels that are designed for screeding concrete. They're magnesium. If you look at this, it's a magnesium tee that runs through this, and it has plastic and rubber hand grips, so it's easy to grab and rod concrete with. These have a lifetime warranty on them too for damage. Like if your bubble comes out of plumb, you get a free replacement. Check this out. Now you can check your levels as you're rodding concrete. Simply, easy to read bubble, both directions. You're looking down or sideways. So this is rust resistant, real durable, and we're going to be using this today, first time. I really liked them, so I went and got me a couple. I got a 6-footer and I got a 4-footer. They make a 2-footer, but I think these lengths are going to work better for me. If I get down to a 2-footer, I mean, I really don't need to check it for level. I can kind of visually look at that, but these right here, these lengths are going to be nice, especially if I'm cutting some valleys or real tight stuff. I can utilize these to make it exact. Anyway, stay tuned for the live action when we start pouring. We're going to try these out because we got a tight drainage situation from here to here. We've got 3 inches of fall in 25 feet. So I'm going to use a little bit of this off the screed when I come out here on knee boards and really tighten up my valley through here. So stay tuned. That's a little bit about that tool, and the beauty of it is someone's going to get a free one that watches this video. You're going to get either a 6-footer, a 4-footer, or a 2-footer, whichever one you like. Whoever the winner is, all you have to do to be entered into this contest to win one of these tools is comment, share, and like. And when you do comment to get entered into the drawing, just put Milwaukee RedStick and the length that you want. You want the 6-footer, the 4-footer, or the 2-footer. So if you do those few things in a comment, share, like, you'll be entered. We'll do a random drawing, and then Milwaukee's going to actually mail the tool directly to you. So that's the beauty of this. Watching this particular video is you're going to automatically get a free tool. Someone is. I don't know who, but someone will get one. Either a 2 or a 4 or 6-footer. Just by saying that you want one, a Milwaukee RedStick 4 or 2-footer or a 6-footer, whatever. Anyway, we're pouring some concrete here, and you can see how I'm using it. You know, normally I would tape or duct tape a level to a rod board, to a 2x4, or to an aluminum screed board, but this makes it a lot easier. It's a lot lighter, and the way it's designed, it's easy to grab, much easier than a straight aluminum board or a 2x4. It's kind of built-in hand grips for it. And we have somewhat of a swell coming through this side yard as well, so I'm going to be checking it all the way through here as I screed the concrete off, make sure I have slope all the way through, and it's very nice and straight, flat. Yeah, this tool was nice to use. And here's when we're done rodding, and here's the tools. I wanted to wash them off here just to see if they really were waterproof. You know how you use a normal level, as soon as you rinse it, the lens fogs up and you can't see the bubble anymore? Well, I wanted to make sure that that didn't happen on these, so I'm going to hit it hard with some water. And when I did this, No water got into that bubble at all. It didn't fog it. It worked. I think you could actually submerge these underwater and it'd probably still be good. So this is all you have to do is to clean them. I was thinking about spraying a little bit of WD on these, you know, to keep them easy to clean, but then again that would make it slippery, so probably just better off leaving it as is and just sponge them off after each use. Crystal clear of the bubble. There is a few screw holes in the sides of this that'll probably definitely fill up with concrete, so it would be hard to disassemble this if you had to after multiple times of using it, because those holes where the screws are going to get clogged up. But I see no reason to have to take this apart other than if you have a damaged bubble. But then again, after that, at that point, if you do get some damage there, you just return it for a replacement. Now here's the second job that we're going to use these same rod sticks on. They're actually red sticks, technically. So on this particular job here, everything you see around it, the patio cover, the big screen TV and all that on this outdoor living space, this is a DIY guy. He did it all himself. He entirely set this job up with the rebar, the channel drain, drains to the street, put the gas line in. He's going to be building an island. He has hot and cold water running back. He's got the whole package basically, and it's all DIY. Learned everything from YouTube. Everything he did here was on YouTube, and he did it step by step, watching guys like me. You can see how nice this little 6-foot red stick's working out for me. It almost bow floats it at the same time. Now that channel drain is specifically set high because this entire patio is going to get covered with tile, so that'll flush out the channel drain. Now I'm out here on the knee boards. Now I can just carry my red stick with me as I go out. I can use it for a straight edge to cut joints, and then at the same time I can check my slope everywhere. I just came through here to make sure everything was sloping towards the channel drain and that we had a good straight line, because it's real hard to set big chunks of tile on uneven areas. So everything's got to be a straight grade slope or just level, one or the other. I got out there a little early on the knee board so I could actually move the concrete if I had to. I'm just using a wood float at this point because it's the early stage of the setup. So I'm just going to leave it open with the woody. That way the water can still come up and out. At this point you definitely don't want to hit it with steel. Second job for these red sticks, we're going to hit it with water again, see if it holds up under pressure. I haven't tried banging blocks with these yet, but I will eventually. You'll see me using these a lot more in the future because they're so easy to grab. Thanks for watching. If you like these, subscribe, and don't forget you can win one of those tools just by commenting that you want a Milwaukee red stick and just let us know the length, and it's going to get mailed directly to you. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.